So now what I'm going to do, we finished for the day, we're going to clean the machine down. So we're going to stop the process, press the stop button here, the pause button. That'll take us back to the home screen, and then we can go onto our wash setting. Again, what that's going to do is allow the machine to operate but without chilling down. Now, depending on how much mixture's left in here, you may need to leave it for a bit just to allow the mixture to defrost. You can then start running your warm water through the machine to start cleaning it out. So what we do is we'd drain all of the excess cream from the machine, and then we're ready then to start flushing through, which we'll do now. So you want to keep flushing through until we get clear water similar to this. So now the machine has obviously been flushed out completely, and then it's now ready to be disassembled, and the parts then being cleaned in soapy water, ready to be assembled. So switch the machine off, and then we can start breaking the machine down. So we'll switch it off for the mains. And then we can start the disassembly process. So I've got a tray here, just allows me to maneuver everything I need to. Disconnect the thumb screws. And then it's always worth being careful because there could be some liquid left in which will spill out. So it's worth trying to catch it as best you can with a cloth here. There we go. And then from here then we can separate the bits down. We can remove the beater, remove the unit there, and then we've got the drip tray. And then all that can be gone to be cleaned, nice warm soapy water, and then ready to assemble and use again. So once the parts are disassembled, we want to give inside a nice good wipe, make sure everything's clean, tidy, make sure there's no milk residue there. And then we come to our cleaning brushes as well. Again, these are great for getting into those hard to reach areas inside. And you've got the smaller ones then, which are able to reach inside the top of the unit, and you can clean inside the areas which again, hard to reach. So making sure we're cleaning all the areas properly so there's nothing left behind that's gonna become any nasty sort of bacteria there as well. Once we've done that and we're happy with the state of the clean, we can then assemble the unit after we've everything's dried nicely.
Shop now at nisbets.co.uk.